Our beginning machining course is designed to create metal parts using various machine tools and equipment. This dual credit opportunity includes interpreting specifications for machines using blueprints, sketches, or descriptions of parts, repairing and using lathes, milling machines, shapers, and grinders with skill, safety, and precision. We also offer an advanced machining course where students will receive college credit with Carl Sandburg College and will focus on project-based lathe work and setup, CNC milling processes, and CNC troubleshooting.
We make signs for yourself or for people in the community. We've been getting into making 3D sculptures.
I took beginning machining and advanced machining. I think a lot of the stuff that I learned was familiarity, so like being familiar with the control panels and different terms and different tools and things like that, which I think is really helpful instead of just coming in here blind and not knowing what anything is. I think it's really helpful. I would definitely say that you should take the opportunity because I wouldn't be here without the GAVC class, and I'm grateful for that, so I think other people should take that opportunity as well because it's a good job and it's easy to get into it if you can take advantage of that.
They've definitely prepared me a lot more than I would have been just jumping into it. It helps a lot. It doesn't give you as much as experience as you'd expect, but it gives you a ton of knowledge so that you can apply that knowledge once you get into the field. But it is super rewarding knowing that you're making parts for any industry. I think it's definitely worth it. I mean, GAVC got me here, so I've been working here since I graduated.
The Welding and Fabrication class is held at the Center for Manufacturing Excellence at Carl Sandburg College. This class is designed for students who are planning a career in either production or job shop industrial welding. The main objective is to acquire the skills and the knowledge necessary to enter industry as a beginning welder. The course will include stick arc welding, MIG welding, TIG welding, plasma cutting, cutting torches, brazing, braze welding, submerged arc, blueprints, and shop safety. Students will receive college credit in addition to high school credit for this class.
I'm a welder at Harvester Works. Probably the best experience I've had so far in my life.
I'm currently working as a heavy-duty diesel tech. I work on semis and trailers, and I do transmissions, clutches, motor work. Everything on a semi and a trailer is basically what I work on.
I've taken welding and CNC, and they were both really good classes to take. I think it's a really good starting point for you if you want to get into either of those because your school pays for part of it first off. Second off, it's just you are in class with people more your age. It's just a good class to take, I feel. My favorite moments are probably working with everyone else and trying to problem solve on stuff we're trying to make at the time. This website we use called Fusion 360, we design the things we're gonna make on there. Sometimes it's complicated, so you gotta kind of figure out what you're gonna do, and if you have any problems, figure that out as well.
If you want to pursue something that you love and a spark is ignited inside you, you shouldn't second guess it.